Okay, everybody, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and we're here with box number 8, which, can I show you box number 8? Without dropping the phone. Here's box number 8. Okay. We're reconnecting. And this is the TrainMaster collection. So we're going to try to get as much of that shadow out of the picture. If I can. Hopefully I didn't crack anything. Wow, this is one hard, no, can't do it. Fascinating. All right, well, got a little shadow today. Try to go into this section. Now, what is in here? I guess we could use this padding as a landing mat for some of the stuff. Oh, this is pretty. New Jersey Transit passenger. And the pickups indicate there's probably a light in here. Wow, New Jersey Transit. Trains I rode for years. Look at that. That's something. Is that one of a kind? Because here's a similar train, but this is clearly Amtrak. Another Amtrak. So, definitely Northeast Corridor. Some Bachman, I think these are called Easy Track. But another, this could be something good. It's all good. Yep, this is another New Jersey Transit. Oh wow, like the mother load in here. I think I gotta take this off because it's not doing justice to the find. Look at this. Wow. What can you say other than wow? I mean, you know. Like I said, like he told me, he goes, oh, I don't think you're going to have to go to the train show for a while. Yep, I think he's right. Let me get over the shock. Okay, let's see what's in here. Looks like I can rebuild my commuting train. Is New Jersey Transit. So at 3 cars, you're starting to look like a normal size train. At 4 cars, you're definitely a normal size train. Now sometimes the way these ran is there could be a locomotive in the back and there would be a guy in the front, just in the passenger. Now this is wrapped up and it's heavy, so this is some kind of motorized unit. Ooh, another one of the Frank favorites, the Conrail. This is a U-boat or a GP? This is a big one. Maybe it's a, I don't know, is it 60, 50? One of those, or is it a U-boat? Losing my terminology. Now this is the bomb. Look at this Bachman. This is the Metroliner with the pantograph. Don't touch it, Bobby. Pantograph. See, these are slightly rounded, slightly different paint scheme. Gorgeous. Another one. Gorgeous. This one is heavy. Yeah, this one's motorized. Look at that. Motorized on one truck. It's kind of fascinating. Motorized on one truck. Is it like a mini pancake motor, maybe? Unmotorized. So how many does he have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's about right for the Metroliner set. And here is another just standard Amtrak passenger. These look like they're all lit. This is like, I can't even go through this thing today. I can't even believe it's in here. This is mind-boggling. Mind-boggling. This is freaking heavy. This thing is heavy. What the hell is this? You can see there's Amtrak in it. This is Bachmann. Well, this is an early Bachmann. This is an 8-wheel drive. Whoa. Wow. It's crazy. It's crazy. I went from being a train collector to the man. I might even have more trains than SMT mainline now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I sense a tremor in the force. Wow. Look at this. Now these are noted for this bronze gold paint job, GG1. This is a pancake motor job that actually runs well because it's got the Pemco version. Yep. Beautiful. God. GG1. We could just stop there. I mean, what's the point? How much can one man... Another monster in here. I hope this video is on. What? Oh my God, look at this. Do you know, I think that when I ordered GG1s, like back in the 90s, when these came out, the double motor Pemcos, IHCs, I think Frank put in his order through me. This might have been the train that he ordered. Conray, yep. And it's the 2-motor job. What you do in life echoes in eternity. I hope that's true more about the good stuff than the bad. Is this thing like never ending? Oh, the perfect locomotive paint scheme. Perfect to pull the New Jersey Transit train. And who makes this? Lifelike. God, I need some coffee. Are we getting all this? I mean, this is unbelievable. Oh my God. Now it's come too far. Okay, another one. Beautiful. Amtrak. Original color scheme. I mean, it's tiring actually opening this stuff up. And exhilarating. But just like, oh my God, what the hell is this coming out of here? This is an AEM 7, Amtrak? Are you bleeping me? What the hell is going on here? I must have interphased with the Bobby in the alternate universe, where everything goes right. Oh my gosh, what the hell's going on here? Look at this. It's even got a guy in there. Yeah. Probably what happened is, I just don't even know it yet. I went to the pearly gates. And they just didn't have the heart to tell me I passed on. So they're breaking me in for giving me all these trains, so I'm distracted. Hey, it could make sense. You never know. This is insanity. This is insanity. My God, look what's in here now. Of all things, Rapido. A freaking Rapido Amtrak passenger car. I mean, I can now like start. It's got special batteries. Who the hell knows what goes on with these cars? It's got seats. Oh my God. Yeah, do not open it, Bobby. This is not. You gotta do this very carefully. Okay, so this is like beyond the beyond. Now there's a bunch of these. There's 3 of them. What is this? Oh my. Are you shitting me? E60CP, Amtrak, Bachman. It looks like it's mint. I don't know. I don't know if I could go on. I think there's room on the table. Oh wow. Look how pretty. Bachman. This is got flywheels. Oh no, wait a minute. That's not Bachman. Mantua. Wow. This is the train. This has turned me into a train master. Oh. Yeah, I gotta start folding them back up as soon as I. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, I forgot the designation, but this is the new one. Who the hell makes this? Is this Athearn? Wow. With the fade out coloration. Like I said, I'm upgrading from, what was her name in Mayberry? Thelma Lou to Pamela Anderson. I'll put a little fife in your Barney. Let's see, what the hell is this now? I'm supposed to be able to criticize things. Why would I criticize here? Oh no. Yeah, I can't even believe this. Amtrak work train. E60CP. Oh! He's got the pantograph too. And it's the stubby version. Oh my God. Yeah, I hope I live a long time. It's going to be painful to leave all these trains behind. a minute, wait a minute. What do you do? Da-da-da. This is only box number 8. I'll show you one of these boxes just to show you I wasn't kidding around. Here are the 3 boxes of the Rapidos. Wow. Gorgeous. Athearn switcher, SW1 maybe. Beautiful Conrail, hand rails on it. Gorgeous. Gotta be careful though, you might have put the coders and stuff. Oh look, even a nod to Bobby's Hobbies. There's a deer in here. Oh, finally, something I can relate to. Except that the paint job is too good for me. It's one of those roundhouse thrashing machines. Look at the paint job on the windowsills. What a show off he is, man. Conrail. You know, like they say, when someone's so much above you, an expert, like they forgot more than you know. He's given away more trains than I have. He's like the Elon Musk of toy trains. Could you imagine if Elon Musk got into toy trains? He just wouldn't have the time to play with them. Oh, this is unfair. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Made in Japan. Kato. You know this is the bomb. Wow. Well, when you've been out class, you've been